Ethan. Hey, son. Thought you were watching Thomas. Who is that? Ethan. Ha. Percy, night-night. It stinks.
Hey.
Who is that?
Hey. Doctor. What's that? Jaden's. Doctor.
Jaden's. What's her train's name?
Oh, hi.
Molly.
Molly. Jaden. No.
Whose is this?
Mine.
Whose is this train?
Mine.
Molly.
Jay.
Who's this?
Percy.
Percy.
Go. Oh. Oh.
Toby. Edward.
Doctor. Sleep.
Yeah. He's sleeping. Shh, Tractor's sleeping.
Doctor, sleep.
Uh-huh. Who's that?
Hat.
Sir Topham Hatt.
Taurus. Bed.
A bird?
And every year on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what are you talking about? The ghost train. The driver saw it last night. Where? Asked Thomas and Toby.
Hey,
He didn't say.
say bye-bye.
Oh, it makes my wheels wobble to think of it.
Bye-bye.
Said
Oh,
Thomas.
did you not know I was
Just a
recording
silly
you?
little engine. I'm not scared.
Huh?
Jaden.
Thomas didn't believe in your ghost, said Percy next morning.
Mommy's trying to figure out my iPod.
Neither do I. It was
Okay.
only a pretend
No.
ghost.